This is Jim again. Welcome back. Educator.com lessons on WordPress. In the last two lessons, we didn't really touch on the control panel. This lesson we'll be returning to the WordPress control or admin panel. So that's what we're going to talk about is the editing of the files. Now there's several ways of editing files. Okay, if you want to take control of the files, if you're good at PHP. So again, this is more for the PHP programmer, but you know what? I think the non-PHP programmers can understand a little bit of what I'm talking about. It's, don't be afraid or intimidated. It's all good stuff. Let's dive right in and I'll show you why. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to talk about the online editor that WordPress has. So there are and of course you can also use any type of editor. You can use offline and online. WordPress has its own editor as I will show you in a few seconds. But you can also use any regular text editor. Okay, you can use Notepad, or you can use Dreamweaver, whatever the case may be. But you can use that once you've downloaded the files. And then we're going to name some important tags that you can actually change, mostly in the index.php. Okay, and then I'm going to offer some suggestions on how to change and edit the tags. Basic suggestions. Kind of thought I'd throw this in a little bit, so we want to keep our files safe. Of course, you got to be very careful what you're doing here, because all it takes is one little hiccup and the entire site goes down. We don't want that. So let's go ahead and go to the first slide. And as you see right here, the left side of the control panel, all you got to do is go back down to Appearance. All right, and then click on Editor, and that is this right here. So there's different ways of editing, and we're going to show you the WordPress editor. But as I mentioned before, there is let's go with the WordPress editor. I should learn how to spell. Might help someday. Okay, WordPress editor. And then there is, your regular text editor. So that involves you downloading the files, okay, downloading the necessary files, okay, making the change, and then re-upload. Okay, and when you do that, well, you made the change. Okay, there's just really not much to it, but I would highly advise, and this is where the suggestions come in, is that you